So we already learned so far from the Arabic alphabet Alif, B, T, Th, Gim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Zal, Re, Zain. So in this video, we are going to learn the next 4 letters. The 4 letters are from right to left. Seen, Seen, Sheen, Sheen, Sad, Sad, Dad, Dad. Let's say it one more time. Seen, Sheen, Sad, Dad. Let's start. Seen, 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 pronounced as S in English. Seen, pronounced as S in English. Seen as in sahl. Sahl means easy. This homework is sahl. Seen, he, lam. Sahl, easy. Or as in Sayyid. Sayyid means master or lord. Seen, ye, dal. Sayyid. Sahl, easy. Sayyid, master or lord. How we write seen? If you are good in drawing, you will love to write seen because it has a lot of curves. That's how we write seen. Here you go. Like one curve, two curve, then the third curve is bigger. Let's learn together. So it's 3 curves, 3 half circles, 2 small, and the last one is the biggest one. Seen. Let's do it one more time. So 2 half circles, 2 small half circles, and the third one is the biggest one. Seen. That's how we write seen. Sheen, Sheen, Sheen. Pronounced as SH in English, as in shoes. SH in English. Sheen, pronounced as SH. Sheen as in Shams. Most of you know what Shams mean. Shams means sun. Shams means sun. Sheen, Meme, and Seen. You see, this word has the Seen that we learned previously and the Sheen. Sheen, Meme, Seen. Or Sheen as in Shagara. Shagara. Shagara means a tree. Shagara means a tree. Sheen, Gim, Re, He. Sheen, Gim, Re, He. How we write Sheen? If you learn how to write Sheen, Sheen will be very easy for you. So remember those 2 small curves here, and the last one is the biggest one. Then we put 3 dots on the top. Sad, Sad, Sad. Sad, pronounced as deep S, because it's not technically like seen. Seen pronounced as S, but Sad pronounced as a deep S, like so. And you will know through the words that pronounce different than seen. It's so. That's why I said deep S. So. Sad as in Salih. Salih means good or valid. Salih means good or valid. Sad, Alif, Lam, Ha. صاد ألف لام ح. صاد as in صديق. صديق means friend. صاد دال ي قاف. If you notice, I said صديق. I didn't say صديق. I said صديق. صالح. صالح it's like a deep S. How you write صاد? This way. It's almost like Sheen and Sheen, but the first part is different, and instead of the curves, it's like a circle. So you make a complete circle with one big half circle. Sad. 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 Don't forget, it's different than Seen. Seen is regular S, but Sad is like a deep S. صالح. صديق. صاد. ضاد. 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 You pronounce it as deep D. Deep D. Not a regular D as dal. You remember when we said dal? We said dal equal D. But this is different letter, though. This is dot. You pronounce it as a deep D. As in ضابط. ضابط. ضاد ألف ب ط. ضابط. Officer. I didn't say دابت because I start with ضاد, not دال. ضاد ألف ب ط. ضابط. Officer. And ضيف. ضيف. ضاد ي ف. ضاد ي ف. ضيف means visitor. How you write dot? If you learn how to write sad, that will be very easy for you because it's like sad, but the only difference, you will add one dot on the top. That's it. So sorry, it's not like a real dot. Again, and dot. One more time. ضاد. deep D. د. ضابط. ضيف. ضابط. ضيف. د. Not like دال. Different than دال. د.